Now children, see, this is another question of NCERT exercise. This is question number 4.13 of your NCERT exercise. According to question, a man can swim with a speed of 4 km per hour in still water. So here I have taken, this is what? This is the river. This is the two sides of the river. One side of river and other side of river. And river is not flowing, means no river current. So river is still, water is still. So man can swim with the velocity of vm in the still water. So he can go in this direction a to b. Okay, so a to b, the direction of man in the still water. But according to question, uh, that if the river current flows steadily at 3 km per hour, so this is the direction of river current because the river is flowing like this. So this will be the direction of the river current, VR. So when the river current is flowing and the man, he wants to cross the river, so he makes his stroke normal to the river current. But according to the velocity of river current, the velocity of the man will be affected. But the man wants to give the stroke in the normal direction to the direction of the river current and cross the river. So the question is, how far from the river does he go? Okay, how far from the river does he go when he reaches the other bank? So you have to find this distance. Okay, because in still water he can cross the river in this direction and reaches at the point B. But along with the river current, he will reach at the point C. Why? Because of the relative velocity of the man with respect to river current. So when man he got this velocity, the velocity of man with respect to the river current, he reaches at the point C on the other side of the bank. So you have to find out this distance. Okay, you have to find out how far from this point he will go to cross the river. So first of all, the velocity of the man along the AB direction, mean in still water it is given 4 km per hour, and the velocity of the river current is also given 3 km per hour. But along with the velocity of the river, this is the direction of the velocity of the man with respect to river current. So man will go in this direction with the direction of the river current. Clear? Now what will happen? The man takes a time, suppose t is the time taken to cover distance AC with velocity v vector, you can say this is v vector, resultant velocity of these two. Okay, this is one velocity and this is another velocity. So what is the resultant? According to triangle law of vector addition, this is the resultant velocity of these two. Okay, so this is the velocity v vector is equal to time taken to cover distance BC. Okay, time taken to distance AB. This is AB. Okay, जितना टाइम वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचने में ले रहा है, उतना ही टाइम वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचने में भी लेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि दो वेलोसिटीज़ हैं इस VMR में या इस V वेक्टर में. दो वेलोसिटी है, एक ये और एक ये. तो इस वेलोसिटी के साथ तो वो ये वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा और इस वेलोसिटी के साथ वो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. So this velocity is responsible to cover the vertical distance and this velocity is responsible to cover this horizontal distance BC. That is why this distance AC and this distance AB, the time taken will be same. Okay, so in this condition, now we will find out the time taken by the man to cross the river. Time taken by man to cross the river. Okay, that is t, and this t will be equal to what? This t, time taken, is equal to distance upon speed. What is distance? AB. तो ये वाला डिस्टेंस के लिए कौन सी वेलोसिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? ये वाली वेलोसिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. ओके, तो व्हाट यू विल राइट? AB अपॉन VM, and you will write it like this: 1 kilometer divided by 4 kilometer per hour. So this will be what? 1/4 hour. Okay, you have got. अब टाइम निकल आया. Now you have to find out this distance, because with this velocity how far he will go to cross the river. So this distance BC, time is same, because ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस जितने टाइम में कवर हो रहा है तो उतने ही टाइम में यहाँ से यहाँ तक का भी डिस्टेंस कवर होगा. लेकिन इस डिस्टेंस के लिए कौन सी वेलोसिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगी? दिस VR. ओके, तो व्हाट यू विल राइट? डिस्टेंस थ्रू which man goes down the river. Down the river means what? यहाँ पहुँचना था लेकिन वो नीचे चला गया, यहाँ C पॉइंट पर. So now in this condition, when you are going to find out this value, so you will write it like this. This is equal to what? BC is equal to VR multiplied by T, velocity into time, and this is what? VR 3, and this is what? 1/4. So BC distance comes out to be what? This will be equal to 3/4, means 0.75 kilometer. So this is the answer of this question. Clear?